So what am I looking at? I've got a crack that I filled with caulking, and then the idea is I try to get a color match with the stucco, and when I painted with the spray paint it didn't quite match, and I want to kind of clean that up. And I've got the same thing here, except it's a larger crack in the stucco that I filled with a caulking agent, but the color match wasn't quite right. There's just too much of a discrepancy in colors. I've got a different approach. I'm going to see if I can get a better color match blend. And I'm just going to apply this stuff with my fingers. And I'm just going to apply it over that area that I originally caulked and then spray painted, but that spray paint wasn't the best match, so I'm going to make an attempt here at some touch-up work and see if I can get a better paint color blend match. Now the other issue is, because it's stucco has this textured look, and I need to try to duplicate that. And right now, with the way I'm tapping this stuff, I'm hoping that's going to give off that appearance. When this dries and becomes hard, I'm going to paint over it, and I have, I think, some better paint color that's a better match. Okay, the texture of this product is very smooth. So I'm just using my fingers as opposed to, let's say, a putty knife. So I'm just going to go over it with the sponge, lightly dabbing it, tapping it, hopefully giving it that kind of textured appearance to make it blend in. Okay, and this stuff comes off as white colored, so it's white. So with the finger tapping, I gave it that textured look, and then use of the sponge, same idea, just tapping with the sponge. So right now that's all white. It needs time to dry. We'll come back and look at it tomorrow.